Hey guys, welcome back. It is May 14th, and today I took some time to hang plastic, as you can see, all the way around me. I've hung plastic all the way up around everything. Everything for the main chassis has been wiped down with wax and grease remover, and all the necessary components for the main chassis are either on jack stands, on sawhorses, hanging from the engine hoist, or hanging from the ceiling in some form or another. Basically what's going to happen here is I talked to Domino, who is my best lifelong friend, first of all, and he's also the one that painted the case for me 12 years ago. But I talked to him about the H project, and he's been more than willing to help out with the priming and the paint. And it's supposed to get really kind of warm and muggy, and it kind of worries me because we are leaving tomorrow for our delayed honeymoon / vacation that I've mentioned a couple times now. And we will be gone for a little over a week. But I talked to him about it, and I said, if I have everything ready for you and prepped, ready to go, would you be willing to come over and spray it while we're gone with primer and paint? And he said that he will try his best. His wife is 8.5 months pregnant. I think her due date is May 27th, so she could really pop at any time, but he said he's going to try his best to get it done. So I did my best to get everything prepped and ready for him. So here we are. I'll just kind of give you a grand tour of... Sorry about that. I'll turn the microphone so you guys can hear me, but we've got both rear wheel centers. I've got all the rear wheel clamps laid out on some rod. I've got the dust shield cover for the shifter. Got the lift all pump hanging. And you guys obviously know this is the main chassis here. I've got the frame rails hanging, the front bolster, both brake drum covers, the rear wheel clamps. Probably not a very good view, but you can see them here. They're hanging. I've got the front pedestal hanging, and we've got the belt pulley hanging. So all of these components together should be able to get us into a rolling chassis. I don't really have much else to say other than some things I wanted to touch on. Turn my microphone back around here. Some things I wanted to touch on. I got to give a big shout out to JC. JC sent us a carburetor for the F20. I haven't had a chance to test run the carburetor on the F20 that I had. I did put a new float in it, but I've just been so deep into this H project and trying to get everything ready for primer and paint before we leave that I really have not had time to even start it and test run it. But JC sent us a spare carburetor for the F20 just in case that one doesn't work. I've got another core that I can rebuild. So huge shout out to JC. And I also wanted to give a big shout out to Rodney. Rodney sent us a drawbar roller for the H. Originally he was wondering if we already had one for this H, and we did purchase a new drawbar roller, so he sent it for the Rescue H that we're gonna end up getting out of my friend's dad's land that he bought as a fixer-upper house. So that's probably going to be a little bit down the road yet before we get that thing out of there. But huge shout out to Rodney for that. But last but not least, I've recently noticed that the YouTube channel has reached 1 million views, and I am absolutely blown away. I mean, this channel is by no means viral. It's not a quote-unquote success story for a channel, but for me to even hit 1 million views is completely, I'm flabbergasted. And I can't thank everybody enough for everything that they've done over the years. You know, I've been doing YouTube for 13 years now. You know, my first video I posted in, I think, 2007. So it's by no means viral, but it is a cool thing for me. You know, personally, I never thought that, you know, all my videos would reach a total of 1 million views. So thanks to everybody for watching, and I don't really have much else to say except we're headed out of town tomorrow, and the next time we turn the camera on, there might be a whole lot of red in here. So yeah, that's all I got, man. Hope you guys enjoy, and we're gonna have a good vacation. I'll probably take the camera along with me, but I don't think I'll do any. I definitely probably won't post anything of my wife because she does not want really anything to do with my YouTube channel, but maybe I'll do a video of some of the sights and stuff that we see while we're travel out west. So head into the Rocky Mountains. But anyways, I don't know. I just want to say thank you to everybody. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys. And I'm at a loss for words. That's all I can say is thank you. So we'll see you in the next one.